أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم. We're going to continue reciting an ayah a day and maybe more given our time. So last time we did ta'awuz and basmala, and today we're going to be doing the second ayah of Suratul Fatiha. So again, we will do focus on itmamul harakat, focusing on completion of the duration of each tashkil, which means one count for one tashkil. And when there's mad leen or mad tabi'i, which are the following of the tashkil by another letter of the same category, then you do two counts. So, and again, to end the ayah, or it's even mentioned in this website, you're allowed to do two, four, six, but you have to be the consistent in all of your recitation of the ayats then. Meaning if I do two and three or four together, and I choose to do four elongations of the ending of the ayah, then I have to be consistent of four on all of them. I cannot choose two, four, and then six. That's what I meant. Okay. So, Ashik, we will do like join the letters first, and then we'll do word and then phrases. Okay. So, alhamdu,
Alhamdu,
alhamdu.
Alhamdu,
Good. You're putting too much emphasis on the just relax. My teacher used to say that Allah has made it easy. So sometimes we put too much effort to try and correct the sound. Alhamdu.
Alhamdu,
Good. And lam is one of the letters that touches a lot of your top of your palate. So al,
Al,
light,
Al,
al.
Al,
Good. Alhamdulillahi,
Alhamdulillahi,
Rabbil.
Rabbil,
So ra is mufakham, it's heavy. So we raise the tongue for it. Rab,
Rab,
Rabbil.
Rabbil,
Yeah. Rabbil.
Rabbil,
Alameen.
Alameen,
Alameen. Very good.
Alameen,
Your ayn was really good now. So we'll join the whole phrase now. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
Good. So the noon actually has it's called tawassut, like it's the medium time given when you have a sukoon. So when you say an, as compared to like the qalqala letters or the hams letter, when you say ab, those are bouncing with shidda and, or giving air. Noon is len omar. I think these are the ones that are a medium time. So in 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 there should be noon nasalization sound coming, but making sure that when we stretch the mud we do not introduce noon sound there. So look, when I say me versus me, right? So a lot of the time when there's a noon or a meme, our nose starts kind of working, giving the ghunna in advance, which is wrong. So making, clarifying, cleaning the sound of the muds. Mean. Only when I stop on it, I make the noon sound. Mean. So making sure, and actually one way to test this is to pinch your nose. Mean, mean. So you will know that the sound changed without pinching your nose. Mean, like that. So let's do it again. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
Okay. Jazakallah khairan. We will stop here for this ayah and we'll continue the next few ayahs in the next episode. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.